everybody, for this project we are gonna do face mask. So what we need is fabric, a pencil, thread, needle, some elastic. I don't have elastic, so I'm using a hair ties, scissors, a piece of paper, and a ruler. Let's start. We're gonna do a face mask. This is gonna be for you and your family. We can use any kind of fabric. I'm gonna use this fabric, but you can use t-shirts, you can use any fabric that is 100% cotton. And this is because now every time you go out, you can put them on. You can create one for you, one for your friends, one for your family, one for your siblings. We are gonna do it with our hands, but if you have a sewing machine, you can use it, but not everybody has a sewing machine, so we're gonna do with our hands. Let's start. So the first mask that we're gonna do is called triple layer. So we need a piece of paper, a ruler, and a pencil. So we're gonna cut a piece of paper 10 inches for 6.5 inches. After we cut the paper, we're gonna cut our fabric. After we cut 10.5 inches for 6.5 inches, we're gonna do a little play over here, and we're gonna start hand sewing. So I'm gonna use one of my pins to do the play. If you don't have it, it's okay, you don't need to. So let's start. We need pins. If you don't have pins, we can use these binders, binder clips, scissors, thread, and a needle. So in the top, did you see I put some pins? In the bottom, I'm gonna do some clips. So we do like a little layer over here, around 1/2 inch. We do this. We're gonna get our needle. We're gonna put the thread around, and with the hand we're gonna slide it like this in the middle. From the bottom to the front, and we're gonna do okay. Para cerrar, to close, we're gonna do like this, and we're gonna in the middle of the needle and the thread to close it. And later again, we're gonna put the needle in the bottom of the thread, and in this one inside. to make a knot. When we finish, we're gonna open up one, two. Okay. Now we need 2 elastics, 7-inch, and a safety pin. You reinforce the needle, the thread like twice, so it's not gonna rip. And later you just chook.